Zippo versus 9mm Parabellum, 124 grain gold dot. Here's the scenario. Yeah, I like my scenarios. You're just walking down the street, you got your Zippo in your shirt pocket, and some thug takes a shot at you. He hits your Zippo. Alright? Will the Zippo save you? Let's find out. So, here's our target over here. Hope the light's good enough. Hope you can even hear me. There, right behind that little red sticker, Zippo lighter. Here we go, guys. Alright, let's see what happened here. Not looking very good, is it? There's the front of the lighter. How's that look to you? Safe and sound? There's the back of the lighter. Got a little wadding left in it. I believe that there's a hole all the way through there. Yeah. You trash.